Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you're looking to add an item into your wardrobe that is practical, functional, and luxurious, you've got to check out this beautiful pashmina from the Cashmere boutique store. So what makes it so luxurious is its composition. It's made of 70% cashmere and 30% silk. So the cashmere is going to make this pashmina so soft and so cozy against your skin, but the silk is going to ensure that this pashmina drapes beautifully along your body. As well, each end has these beautiful tassels that are so highly constructed. I've been wearing this nonstop for 3 weeks and they haven't frayed, they haven't come loose. I'm really impressed with the construction of this pashmina. Now the functionality, it blew my mind how many different ways I could style this pashmina. You can even wear it as a scarf, you can wear it as a small blanket. There was so many different options, and because this pashmina doesn't have a print, you could definitely style it more casually like I did with jeans and a t-shirt, because even in those summer months in the evenings, you are always reaching for something to cover your shoulders, and this is the perfect option because this fabric is so breathable. It is the perfect option for the summer and even obviously into the colder months. I also styled it a little bit more dressy with a dress. You could definitely bring this pashmina to any wedding this summer as it's the perfect addition. I loved how, because it's cashmere, you could definitely make it way more elegant. Looks perfect dressed up. It also comes in so many beautiful colors. I love this color I have. It's called Canvas. It's a neutral, matches everything. And I really love the fact that I could steam this pashmina and the wrinkles came out right away. So this fabric is top notch. You'll be wearing it with almost every outfit that you choose this summer, and you're definitely gonna be blown away by the quality. But that's just my point of view.